What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Bringing you guys a different type of video today. Currently got the GoPro attached to my head. That guy's probably looking at me crazy right now, but we're starting the video off right here at the 85 station, fueling up with some 85. Damn, this thing is pumping slow. But yeah, we're putting some 85 in the Q. For those of you guys that might be new to the channel, this is my 2015 Infiniti Q50S, obviously 285. How are you guys liking this 157 CRs? Those of you guys that might have missed last video, I slapped these on the car. Thanks, man. These used to be on my Z, but since I got the T's for the front of the Z, I had pretty much a full set of these wheels just sitting in my room, so I threw them back on the car, and I love how it's looking, bro. It's literally perfect. So simple yet so perfect. But anyways, this video is going to be a late night POV drive. I've been meaning to record one of these now that the car is dialed in on 85. So this is a 3.7 Q50. It is not the VR30. It's a naturally aspirated 3.7 that comes in the 370s, G37s. It's a VQ. Like I said, if there's any new people on the channel, she ended up making 321 wheel horsepower on the dyno a couple of weeks ago. The mods are stock intake, stock headers, Megan Racing test pipes, ISR white pipe, and ISR single exit. Obviously, like I said, tuned on the 85. For those basic mods, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the car does move pretty nice. Once this thing finishes up pumping, we'll hit the road and we'll see this thing in action. All right, I'm just gonna pump 30. Let's see what 30 bucks gets us. All's pretty much empty. All right, let's see how much we got. Oh, yup, not bad for 30 bucks. I was pretty much empty. That's one of the reasons why I switched over to 85. Gas is cheaper. It does burn a little bit quicker, but it's nothing like too crazy. And I feel like you do save some money on the pump, so put this thing in sport mode. Opened up a little bit right there towards the end, but that's one way to start the video, right? Jeez, we got a little Coyote right there, a little 10-speed 5.0. These trucks are dope. I would definitely cop one. And the homie ended up giving me some stock ones that were on his dad's 2008 37. I swapped them on here and they sound like like if they're aftermarket, they sound like equal link, bro. It's so funny. Some people think that I'm like lying about me having headers, bro. I'm a content creator at the end of the day. I would not lie about mods, bro, especially not on this car. But yeah, the car sounds different. It sounds like if it were to have some aftermarket headers. I feel like it sounds pretty good too. Whoa, sick ass move. Do have a popcorn map on this car, but ever since I swapped the headers, I haven't used it because I'm sure that freaking flame map has something to do with my header leak, so I'll pass. What's up with this Veloster? He needs a smoker, but damn, my boy jamming out. I do not like those cars. I do not like them at all. They're just not a Corvette to me, bro. It's just like, I don't know, I just don't like them. Should we try a little dig right here? Not bad for a 300 wheel horsepower boat. You guys ever be driving late at night just looking for a car to race? That's me right now. Should we slide it a little bit right here? I haven't swung this thing in a while. One of my favorite things about this car is that it's pretty fun. Even though it is automatic, it's obviously not as fun as a manual car, but it's still pretty fun. And you guys just see me, I like slid it a little bit, did a pull, I just did some donuts right now. Once you're done with all that, you could just put it into standard, just chill, bro. And the car turns into like any other ordinary day driver. There's some water right here. Oh, I'm about to have some fun. Never mind, we're back to thought activities. Whenever I see a little puddle, I always have to do that. Back to what I was saying. Like I said, now I'm kind of done with the whole like thought activities, I like to call them. Put this car in standard mode, and it's super comfortable, bro. Like I'm just chilling now. So you go from abusing this thing to just chilling. And apart from all that, it's also pretty nice. It's a pretty nice car. It looks nice, I feel like. And they're not too expensive anymore. Honestly, the prices have gone down quite a bit on them. They're a lot more affordable now. You can get a clean one. It doesn't have to be a sport model. It could be like the premium model or whatever, which is like the base model for like, I don't know. I've seen some as low as like $8,000, but obviously higher miles. Like I said, not a sport edition, just like the base model. But shoot, for $8,000, bro, it's not bad at all. Oh, this is fire right here, bro. Gotta do one last pull. Let's do a 40 roll. Now everything's back to normal, just chilling. Got the star lights on, turn on some music, but I'm not gonna do that because copyright. Sheesh, the boys are out. Aw, be my boy. He didn't do it. Yeah, I can't stress this enough. This car is so comfortable, bro. That's one of the main reasons why I chose this as a daily driver. This thing literally rides so good. And honestly, with this exhaust, like I said, I do have stock headers. Megan Racing white test pipe, I'm sorry, ISR white pipe, and the ISR single exit. The drone isn't that bad, honestly. Like especially on the freeway, low RPMs, you can barely even hear it. So like I said, when it wants to be loud, when it wants to be rowdy, it can be. When you're just trying to chill, you can just chill. Oh, look at Z. Sheesh. All right then, what's up, bro? Trying to race? Trying to catch that 40-year-old? Speaking about 4-year-olds, this car's 4-year-olds, I'm telling you, bro. You guys see him when we got on the Mexican highway. This thing pulls pretty nice. So who needs that 4-year-old? Oh yeah, when I was swinging it, I think I shot a flame in my performance map. It sounded like it feels like if I was in the popcorn map for a second. The exhaust probably got super hot, but I know I heard a pop. I wish somebody was outside recording. All right guys, just like that, we made it back home. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope it wasn't too short, but if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can get it whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. What the? Turn off headlights. Oh, my bad. Damn.